Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Channel Manager, where you can set up and manage multiple communication channels to chat with customers. MessageWhiz supports 6 messaging channels: SMS, RCS, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, and WeChat. Each one of these can support multiple use cases. So, for instance, you could have separate WhatsApp entities for customer service, sales, and authentication messages. All available channels are listed on the Channel Manager inventory. To add a new channel, click the Add Channel button. A pop-up window will appear where you select the type of channel and fill in specific details. The Channel Manager allows you to connect chatbots, add a welcome message, and include other essential information. You can always edit or delete a channel by going to the Channel Manager inventory and clicking the appropriate options. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.